I am Sharanya Karthik, your yoga trainer. Let's practice Baddha Konasana or bound angle pose. This pose mainly helps to ease the childbirth and also the expansion of the muscles in the pelvis and around the joint area. Help to ease the childbirth. Start with stretching your legs forward in Dandasana. Remember to keep your spine neutral. Slowly fold your right knee and left knee. Now connect the lower portion of both your feet together. So according to your comfort, you can bring the legs either closer to the center of the body or keep it a little at the distance. Hold your legs. Keep your back straight. You can do a few movements to ease the muscles or just hold the asana in a still form. You can close your eyes. Hold the Baddha Konasana for 5 to 10 breaths. Sit with comfort. Keep your back straight and breathe. Once you finish, you can slowly open your eyes, stretch back your legs and relax. This was Baddha Konasana. Let's practice Supta Baddha Konasana. So it is a bound angle pose when you are in a sleeping position or when your spine is totally supported by a pillow or you can use a bolster. Slowly, just sit in any comfortable position. Try to bring your lower back to the pillow or the bolster you're using. Slowly rest on it until you're comfortable. Now take the position of Baddha Konasana with both your legs, placing the hands on your inner thighs. Slowly lie down and relax. So lie down for as many breaths as you can, or 5 to 10 deeper inhalations and slow exhalation. Remember to relax and smile. Slowly, once you finish, come up, keeping the back straight. Slowly relax. This was Supta Baddha Konasana. Let's move on for a small twisting pose. So that twists the oblique muscles and also stretches and strengthens. So we will practice Parivritta Janu Shirsasana. Let's get started. Slowly keep your legs stretched forward into Dandasana. Spread your right leg wider towards your right angle as much as you can, like Upavishta Konasana. Now with the left knee, you're going to bend it and bring the heel of your left leg to the center of your body. Now slowly with inhalation, place the right hand on any part of your right leg. Remember, the toes should point upwards. Do not relax your leg like this. Keep the heel down and the toes pointing upwards. Holding the right arm on your right leg, slowly align your shoulders one above the other by twisting your upper body towards the left shoulder. With inhalation, take your left arm up. Now as you exhale, bring it across your ear 45 degrees as much as you can. Remember, look up. Breathe deeply for 5 to 8 rounds. Slowly inhale and bring your arm upwards. Exhale, come back to Samastitihi. Let's continue on the other side. Slowly open up the left foot outwards. Bring the right heel to the center of the body. The knee points to the right side. Now remember again, the left toes always point up. Let's hold the left arm on any part of your left leg. Slowly align the shoulder upwards by twisting the upper body and looking up. Inhale. Slowly exhale as much as you can bend. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, and till 8 if you can. Slowly inhale, take your arm up. Exhale, come back to Samasthiti. Slowly you can relax your legs in Sitila Dandasana by sitting at ease. This was Parivrita Janu Shirsasana. Let's practice Upavishta Konasana, wide angle pose. This pose relieves all the back pains and is used to stretch the back and also relax and release the pain near the pelvis and the hip region. So if you have a back pain or if you have any spinal pains or pains around the oblique area, what you can do is you can use this 4-folded cloth or any cloth which gives you a little bit of elevation or height to your seated pose. So what you can do is just place the cloth down and then sit on the cloth. Let's get started. Slowly start by stretching your legs forward. Come to Dandasana. Keep your back straight, shoulders relaxed. Never shrink your head or shrink your shoulders. Keep it relaxed. Slowly spread your legs wider, as wide as you can. So work with your comfort here, okay? And then you're going to slowly place your hands on your feet. Take a deep inhale and lengthen the chest region upwards by lifting your head up. So inhale up. Exhale, slowly walk through your legs. Keep stretching or bending forward from your lower spine. Bend as much as you can. Breathe slowly by lifting the chin up. Hold the posture for 5 to 10 breaths. Slowly inhale, come back. Keep your hands behind and you can use your shoulders to move a little out and support your spine completely. Remember, when you're sitting straight, the toes should look upwards. Both the toes should point up. So hold the asana here also for 5 breaths. Keep your neck straight. Breathe. Once you're finished, you can do a variation, slowly taking your hands up. With inhalation, drop your neck back, hold the posture. Breathe for 5 rounds, slowly. Exhale, come back. Bring your legs back to Dandasana. This was Upavishta Konasana and its variations. One of the most favorite animal for all the ladies, the cat pose or the pose which is inspired by the cat. It's called as Marjaryasana. Here we are going to arch our spine with inhalation and make a round spine with exhalation. Let's see how we do Marjaryasana. Let's keep our joints soft by using this 4-folded rug, or you can use any soft material cloth. So slowly place it on your mat. You're going to keep your knees on the soft surface of your cloth. Slowly take the measurement. Connect your elbow to the knee with both the hands. Now slowly bring one palm forward and press your palm down. Slowly drop the toes down in both the legs. Bring yourself to the cat position. Now you are going to inhale and arch your lower back and raise the head up. Exhale and slowly pull the abdomen and pelvis inward until you bring the chin to the notch. Let's do this for 5 rounds. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. You can also hold the posture for 3 breaths. Inhale up, look up and hold the posture. Try to 3, 2 and 1. Slowly exhale, hold your chin to the notch. 3, press your shoulders. 2 and 1. Slowly sit back by joining your knees. Sit back into Vajrasana with a straight spine. If you are not comfortable with this, obviously you can take any comfortable sitting position and relax. This was Marjari Asana.